Hello and welcome to a guided meditation. I'm Justin Epstein, author of the top-selling book Super You and minister of the Unity Center of New York City. I'm glad you're going to join me for this meditation. We'll take a little meditation vacation. So I invite you to find a comfortable place to sit if you haven't found one already. And let's just sit upright with the spine upright. The great yogi sage Yogananda said, bent spine is the enemy to self-realization. It's important to allow that energy to flow. So sitting upright now, let's take a nice long deep breath together, and we're going to tense every muscle of the body, throw the breath out, and let the body relax. Together, let's take a nice long deep breath. Tense every muscle in the body. Exhale, throw the breath out. Dropping chin to the chest. Good. Now we scan the body and we send the message to relax and let go to every muscle. Starting at the feet, just send the message, relax, relax, relax. Moving to your calves, your thighs. Just feel your muscles relaxing. Allow your abdomen and stomach to let go, relaxing your hands, your forearms, your shoulders, relaxing the muscles in your chest, just moving your awareness through your body and sensing your body letting go. Simply your intention is enough to signal your muscles to relax. Moving your awareness in your back, relaxing the muscles in your neck, the front, the back, the sides. Awareness into your chin, your jaw, relaxing your jaw, your whole face, your forehead, and your scalp. From the top of your head to the bottoms of your feet, letting go, letting go, letting go, letting go, letting go. Relaxing. Good. Now, is there any place in your body that still is a little tense? You might want to just gently tense and relax that part of your body. Good. And now we're going to move our focus to the breath. Begin to feel the breath moving in and out of your nasal passages. Not trying to control the breath, just watch your breath as it flows in and flows out. It's amazing how our breath just automatically flows. We don't have to think about it at all. So as you bring your awareness to your breathing, it takes you out of your thoughts and concentrates your mind and begins to open your heart to your true essence as a spiritual being. So go ahead now and watch your breathing. We'll do this for a minute or so. Just watch your breath. And now as your breath flows in, mentally think the word still. And then as your breath flows out, the word ness. It's the word stillness. Still on the inhalation, ness on the exhalation. And now taking a nice long deep breath. And just tune into what you might be feeling. Some people find it helpful to put their hand on their chest, just to direct their attention to their feeling area, the heart. And just be present to whatever might be surfacing inside of you right now. Just rest in the quiet. You might even imagine your heart being filled with light, and see that light expanding, filling your whole body. And now, from this place of stillness, we've tuned in to the essence of our being. Perhaps we're experiencing an inner sense of tranquility or calmness. Or maybe something came up that needs to be healed. Some memory or painful feelings might have come up. That's okay. Your mind, your heart's trying to heal itself. So just be present to those feelings and let them pass through. So now I like to often bless our friends and family and people throughout the world by using sound and the body to allow energy to flow through us. And so I invite you to join me in rubbing the palms of the hands together, magnetizing the hands for the flow of energy. We're going to hold the hands up. Then I like to chant that Sanskrit word Om, which refers to the creative sound of the universe. Also the interpretation for the word Amen. And let us just chant 3 times Om. If you have a different sound you want to use, we'll do that. The main thing is letting the energy flow through you. So here we go. Peace. Amen. Well, thank you for taking this little meditation vacation with me. And until next time, God bless you. Namaste, which means the divinity in me salutes the divinity in you. God bless you.